in this video I'm going to show you how to enable one-handed mode on Vivo phones running on Funtouch OS. Open settings on your Vivo phone. Under settings you need to select shortcuts and accessibility. Click on that. Under shortcuts and accessibility you need to select one-handed mode. By default it is disabled. You need to click on that and enable one-handed mode. After that, go back to the home screen. Now what you need to do is you need to swipe inside and swipe outside at once. It will enable the one-handed mode. Let's do it. Swipe in, swipe out. Here you can see the one-handed mode. Now you can access your phone in a small portion of the display. If you have small hands, you can use this feature. Here you can see that. If you want to resize this one-handed mode, you can do that. Click on this button to resize. Here you can see that you can resize to whatever position you want. If you want to exit the one-handed mode, simply click on this into button. It will exit the one-handed mode. To enter the one-handed mode again, you need to swipe in, swipe out like this. It will enter the one-handed mode. To resize, click on this button and place wherever you want, to the right or to the left. And to resize, click on this button like this. If you want to exit, simply click on the into button. It will exit the one-handed mode. So that's it guys. In this way you can enter one-handed mode on Vivo phones running on Funtouch OS. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.